Today we're going to be unboxing the first ever carbon neutral Apple device of all time, in this case the Apple Watch Series 9. I am beyond excited to be checking the new Apple Watch out because, as you know, the Apple Watch is our favorite Apple device of all time, right? So I got a chance to play with it at the Apple event, and hey, that double tap feature, it's honestly a feature that I always wanted to come on the Apple Watch. I know it was available under accessibility settings, but it's actually built in the entire UI, and it's been way improved, so it's super exciting that it is here and we can finally use our Apple Watch with one hand. As you can see, the packaging of the Apple Watch has gotten way smaller as well in order for the environment, in order, for more boxes to fit in a big box. The packaging of the Apple Watch has always been and will always be my favorite. I mean, just look at this. We get all the colors and all the different variations of the Apple Watch. We got sent out the blue this time. And wow, this is a new packaging for the Apple Watch bands. As you can see, carbon neutral. Learn how at apple.com/2030. This is super cool. It's way much more lightweight, so it feels like, there's way less, packaging and fluff in the actual band. We get a tiny little sticker here that we can just peel off. Then you open it, and there it is. It's way much more different than the previous generation. You just pull it out. You also get some warranty info and, some instructions on how you can actually put an Apple Watch band on. And there it is. Look how simple this packaging is. It's just simply paper and the actual band is there. So let's go ahead and peel the band out. What's cool as well is I don't see any more plastic or any packaging on the actual band. It's cool. It's just the band itself. It's all we need, right? This is also the new Sport Loop, by the way. It looks the same and it feels the same, but it's way much more sustainable. And with it feeling the same and being more sustainable is already a big achievement. I don't really see a difference. I've got a non-sustainable Sport Loop here on the right. And now that I'm comparing them, they do feel a little bit different, but I mean, I don't really see one being better than the other. They just feel like a little bit different in terms of fabric. I feel like the sustainable one is a little bit more soft, which might be a good thing as well. All right, enough of the bands. Let's take a look at the new Apple Watch Series 9, which in design, it hasn't changed at all, but I am super excited to see that double tap feature in action once again. So let's go ahead and peel that off. Oh, which Apple Watch did we get? Let's go ahead and read it. Midnight Aluminum Case Series 9, 45mm. Let's peel it off. And here's the new packaging as well. Way much more simpler than the previous generations. No way. I was gonna say, I thought the Apple Watch Series 9 did not come with a charger, which I was like totally down for sustainability because I have a ton of Apple Watch chargers, but I was like, yeah, people are not gonna be happy about this. So yes, the Apple Watch Series 9 does come with an actual charger, warranty info, no Apple stickers on an Apple Watch, but we do obviously get the Apple Watch itself over here. The Apple Watch itself is wrapped in this paper as always. In the back it says 45mm, Apple Link, 1 Apple Park Way. It says the address, Cupertino, California, which is cool, which is where we were. Which, by the way, if you want to see the day at the Apple event when I got a chance to visit the Apple Park, links are down below in the description. Really fun day. All right, and here's the Apple Watch Series 9. As you can see, it says Series 9. That's the only physical difference here. Let's go ahead and boot it on. I don't know what's going on, but putting the non-sustainable band, that's what we're calling it now, non-sustainable band, and putting the new sustainable band, it feels different to put on. I don't know if it's the Apple Watch itself. I don't know if it's the band itself. It's not a big deal. I'm just saying it feels a little bit different to actually put on. So anyways, let's put it on. Let me stop talking. This is how you use the Apple Watch Series 9 now. You just double tap. So let me go ahead and set it up and I'll come back in just a second. All right, so I've officially set up my Series 9. Sadly, I just know about this now. The double tap feature will only be available starting on October, so it's not ready yet. Sadly, I did get a chance to play with it at the Apple event, so if you want to know how to use double tap and how it's like, you can tap this video right here of my video at the Apple event, or if you want to see my unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro, tap this video right here. But I definitely recommend you to check out the double tap because it's super cool to see in action at the Apple event. So go check it out. Thank you for watching. and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.